Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your Creative Outlier Free Pro. And firstly we should remove these earbuds from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget the device, forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, firstly make sure that this LED light blinking red and blue. It means that it's entered to prank mode, and after that press and hold volume up button and volume down button at the same time. So press and hold it until these earbuds will turn off. Now it's at power off. Cool. After that, press and hold this multifunctional button to turn on your earbuds, and it will enter to prank mode automatically. So we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!